Welcome to our video on the top 10 foods to boost your brain function. Did you know that what you eat can have a significant impact on your brain's performance? Studies have shown that certain foods are packed with nutrients that can enhance cognitive health, memory, and focus. In this video, we will explore these brain-boosting foods in detail and learn how they can help you fuel your brain for optimal function. So, let's dive in. Blueberries. These tiny fruits are rich in antioxidants, which help protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, and improve memory and learning. Leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support brain health and improve cognitive function. Fatty fish. Fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health and can improve memory, mood, and concentration. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamins that can support brain function and enhance cognitive performance. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, which have antioxidant properties and can improve blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive function. Avocado. This creamy fruit is rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, which can improve blood flow to the brain and support cognitive function. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of choline, a nutrient that is essential for brain health and can improve memory and cognitive function. Turmeric. This yellow spice contains a compound called curcumin, which has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can support brain health and cognitive function. Berries. Strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins that can protect the brain from oxidative stress, improve memory, and boost cognitive performance. And finally, the #1 brain-boosting food is walnuts. These nuts are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and polyphenols that can improve brain health, memory, and cognitive function. So, there you have it. The top 10 foods to boost your brain function. Incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet can provide your brain with the fuel it needs for optimal cognitive performance. Remember, a healthy diet is essential for overall brain health, and these foods can be delicious and enjoyable additions to your meals. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or follow us for more health tips and information on how to optimize your cognitive function. Fuel your brain with the right foods and unlock your full brain potential. Thanks for watching.